Kia ora, I'm Aria Graham. I'm from here, from Waipatu Marae. I grew up here across the road and been out and done my nursing and had my whānau and then have ended up back at the marae.
Rawe, tell me how it all come to fruition.
Well, mamia came about ultimately through my PhD, but what had happened is I'd gone to do my nursing studies and I ended up working for Māori health providers, and it showed me another side of being Māori and being whānau Māori, because I grew up in a whānau that we're always there, and your aunties and uncles are also like your mum and dad, and your cousins are your brothers and sisters, and Nanny and Papa are there after school with the Milo and toast, and then I met whānau Māori who didn't have those things and weren't like that, and I suppose I was thinking, well, geez, if this should be our birthright as Māori, and I was able to experience that and all that love and support and that nurturing, why can't others have that too, and why can't we share that if we can do that? So yeah, we just went for it, and the marae allowed us to utilise really the only building they could share with us, and this was an old tractor shed, and then we came in here and just converted it into this space where we could create a home, a kāinga, a village to support our new mums, new parents, our new babies, our mokopuna. And in the end of the day, it's about love.
Yeah, beautiful.
Ko moana wā for tōku ingoa. I'm what we call the kiato here, so I would be the kaimahi lead, and I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful mahi.
Awesome. Now, what progress have you seen with the mama and the pepe?
I think a key part of the role is that you get mama who come and they're along a whole spectrum of where they might be within their lives. So some may be resourced, they may be from a good whānau, but also at the other end here we've got mama who don't have whānau or don't know where they're from. So any mama who comes, they're all coming and they all progress in a way that they relate to wahinetanga, māmatanga, haputanga. And so every mama who comes, wherever they are, they always become more confident, more social, they have a better sense of identity whether they're Māori or not. And I think it's because the kaupapa is about aroha and connection and relationship and watching everyone's children grow and having them in themselves becoming more empowered as wahine and as mama.
My name is Shannon, currently live in Flaxhead.
Awesome. Now you are one of the mama here at Mamia. How has Mamia supported you with your haputanga or your pepe?
So I first started coming here when my firstborn was 3 months old, I think. And all my family lives in Australia, so I didn't have a support network here. And then when I got pregnant with my second born, then they had stuff like antenatal classes and just a help, heaps of support all over again. But yeah, so I've been coming for like 2 years nearly now. There's always lots of cool kaupapa going on here. Like every day of the week there's something, I don't know, a different activity. We have the paediatrician that comes on Mondays that you can ask questions about your pepe. Yeah, there's just heaps of cool little things that are happening all the time.
One of our mama that we really wanted to encourage to come and have a kōrero, she's been coming for maybe about a year and a bit. She's had a bit of a background that has needed a bit of support, and she was really excited, but she was also pushing it beyond her comfort zone. And so what she was comfortable with was having a kōrero about, at Mamia she gets warmth, cuddles, there's nannies, there's a whānau, aunties, we have fun, there's always te reo, she's there, always with her hand up, always learning. We always have kai together, her and Abraham, that's there, koha aroha.
Kei te pai.
Yeah.
No, that's beautiful. Yeah. Why do you think Mamia is important for the community?
I think places like Mamia are a central heartbeat, a central puna aroha. Any mama is able to come here, there's no criteria, If every rohe in Aotearoa had a Mamia, gosh, You know, what we see in our mums now, to know that that could be happening and would be happening in every rohe, every baby. Like, we have so many babies and they think they're cousins and this is their whare and these are their nannies. Imagine if that was everywhere.
Yeah. That's beautiful. How can mama get in touch or come and join Mamia?
Yes, so we're based on Waipatu Marae here in Hastings, Heretaunga. If whānau out there in our community resonate with the kaupapa, that we're here to support our mothers and our pipi. If you need a break, if you need a rest, if you need to come and learn something, access some information, we just want our arms and our door to be open to wahine. Anyone's welcome.